Real quick overview of the damage to my Honda Accord. Still looks like a great car, except when you get to the front, it's a little smashed. The front end's a little messed. Like, actually it's non-existent and like very low to the ground. The whole engine went down. The frame seems to be bent. The engine's touching the floor. This tire's done. This fender. The back. There's a little back damage of where I hit the cement wall. But as far like the back still looks good. Kind of. I mean, looks like I got hit there somehow. Or the impact. But overall, this is my car. It's just the front. Looks horrible. I'm gonna miss it.